Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you a very simple recipe how to make spaghetti with minced beef at home. It is very easy to do this recipe. This is one that is going to amaze you. You can have it done in less than 20 minutes. So let's get to it. And the first step is to boil your spaghetti, and I cut mine into two. You do not have to, you can boil them as they are full. So after boiling and ready for like 5 minutes, just scoop them out from the sufuria, and then you're going to set them aside. To prevent them from overcooking, you can run them over cold water, then set them aside. On another pot, just go ahead and fry your onions. Go ahead and add crushed ginger and garlic, and then you're going to stir that and allow this to cook. Next, you're going to add your spices, and before that I added 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. After that I added my spices. Please use whatever spices you've got just to spice the beef. So you're going to give this a good stir and allow the spices to cook, and after that just go ahead and add your minced beef. So for the beef, just go ahead and stir it, ensuring that it comes together with the spices and ensuring that the beef is well coated with the spices. And also, because it is minced, be sure to add salt at this step. Just make sure that you have some water running just to help in the cooking of the beef. So at this point then, go ahead and add your blended tomatoes, and then you're going to give that a good stir, and then you're going to just cover it and leave it to simmer until the tomatoes are cooked and until the beef is ready. Do not forget to add Royco, guys. If you've got it at hand, it takes this meal to another whole level. So just go ahead and cover the pot at this point. So a few minutes later, you can see the beef is cooked and the tomatoes are well cooked. So just go ahead and add your coriander. I added my dania, and I also added some chopped hohos, and then you're going to give this a good stir. Then go ahead to add soy sauce. You do not have to add soy sauce, but if you've got it at hand, please always add soy sauce to your sauces. It takes the meal to another level. So just go ahead and stir, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. And now please go get the spaghetti, because it is time to add them in. So add the spaghetti and very carefully start stirring carefully, not to break the spaghetti. And guys, do not let the hohos to overcook, that is the bell pepper and the coriander. Just cook them for a few minutes and they should be ready. And guys, this is one of those meals that we say it is a quick fix. Whenever you need something to run to, whenever you're cooking for children, you have run out of ideas, this is the meal to go to, guys. It is so easy to do, takes you no time, and children will always enjoy this meal. Even adults like myself, I love a meal of spaghetti, guys. So just go ahead and carefully stir, just ensuring that you do not break the spaghetti, and just look at that. Everything is coming together nicely. If you need to add some water, please use the water that you used to boil the spaghetti. It is very flavorful, so just go ahead and add it in, and just like that, our meal is ready and ready to serve. Let me just zoom in for you guys so you can have a close-up. It is so easy and quite filling. So I hope you're going to try out this recipe, and I hope you learned something from this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help the channel to grow. Just adding some dania for garnishing, and then we are going to serve that. Let me know on the comment section what videos you are looking forward to seeing on this channel. I would really love to know what you like me to post. And like always, I like creating content for you guys, not even for the money, because I don't get many views for these videos, but I love to just show my skills, just to teach a thing or two about home cooked meals. They do not have to be boring, just be creative. And here is the meal, guys. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching.